Hi there. I've been teaching and consulting in Lean for over 20 years, and today I want to share 5 simple lessons learned over the years. Did you know that Lean manufacturing is not just for manufacturing? Any enterprise can apply the Lean philosophy for continuous improvement. To achieve long-lasting results, Lean manufacturing practices must be driven by overall company strategy. This ensures that everyone is working toward a common goal. Lean manufacturing requires a system for daily management. Each functional area must measure its performance versus target on a daily basis to identify gaps and then apply the A3 problem-solving process to close the gap. For long-lasting results, Lean manufacturing requires a culture change. The improvement kata approach is effective in creating a culture of continuous improvement within organizations. Finally, Lean manufacturing requires a different kind of leader. Leaders must become coaches that can model and teach the problem-solving process. Remember, Lean manufacturing is a continuous improvement philosophy that can benefit any enterprise. Apply these 5 tips to your business practices and watch your organization thrive. To learn more, visit us at emsstrategies.com.